Hello and welcome back. So when we talk about record access, we're referring to records of the objects that users can access, such as which accounts they access, which contacts they can access, and there are quite a few ways in which we can control record access. We're going to take a quick look at them now before we dive into them in more depth in the following sessions. The purpose of this session is to give you an overview of how record access can be controlled through the various Salesforce features. First, we have org-wide defaults, which specify the default level of access that users have to each other's records. These are used to set data access to its most restrictive level, and then you use other sharing features and settings to open up access. Next, we have role hierarchies, which we can set up so that record access flows as we need it to. Role hierarchies ensure that managers always have access to the same data as their employees, regardless of the organization-wide default settings. Role hierarchies don't have to match your org chart, and they should be seen more as a record access hierarchy. Another Salesforce feature we can use to open up record access are sharing rules. Sharing rules come in two flavors. We have owner-based sharing rules and criteria-based sharing rules. Then the next feature that we have that helps open up record access is manual sharing, and this is great for one-off sharing and is done through an object-specific quick action. It allows us to share access in a granular fashion, meaning that we can set record access record by record. We then have groups and team access, which allow users to share records as part of public groups, account teams, opportunity teams, or case teams. But now, let's dive into org-wide defaults.